Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our Flower Shoppe Classic Bundle. All of our classic bundles include a collection kit, solids pack, ephemera, and a 6x6 paper pad. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling cards, this floral-inspired collection brings delicate blooms and charming boutique style to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking spring memories, garden moments, and everyday beauty, this collection is designed to help you tell stories that feel soft, elegant, and full of floral charm. Also included in our collection kits is a 12x12 element sticker sheet. Our coordinating solids packs are designed to perfectly match the color and design of the pattern papers. The patterns and elements in this paper pad have been perfectly scaled down, making them ideal for all your card making projects. With 33 pieces of ephemera, just imagine the layouts you could create.